remix.
No, you can't see.
Yeah, I can. I just saw a corner of a box.
You don't see me.
I see you. Hi guys, it's MK, and today I am going to be opening something my mom was going to give me for my birthday. She wanted to do a video of it, and she won't let me see the front. So I'm going to open it to see what it is. So,
You can flip it over.
oh, it's an, what is this? It's an LOL surprise remix. What is that? I don't know what that is. Hold up. I'm gonna open it.
Okay, wait.
So this is the front of the box. Open it. Whoa! There's bags. Okay, let's open the first one. That one was pretty easy to open. Huh? Bands. Okay.
And just like,
Those are pretty. Whoa. I think I should open the big stuff last. Okay. What's this one? These are like sunglasses. Do they look funny? I guess they do look funny. Okay. It's a ring.
Oh.
Oh, geez, that's right. That's right.
What's that?
It's like looks like a poster. This is what the poster looks like. Okay. Yeah, few little boxes to open. When I mean few little boxes.
Let me see.
It's like a
Let me see.
bookmark.
Let me see it.
It says Backstage Pass.
Oh, kind of, because it looks like music stuff. So Backstage Pass is like, oh yeah, you could use it as a bookmark.
Open this. It's a shirt.
Let me see. It's like the poster.
Yeah. I'm gonna like break it if it doesn't turn off. Okay, so the first thing, okay, there's actually two. It's like a fanny pack.
Oh, kind of like a fanny pack, yeah.
It's like, looks like a radio fanny pack.
That's
Look.
Oh my goodness.
I love this.
Open it.
So pretty. Okay, it's my third to last one.
Oh, it's like a backstage pass. That's like when you go to like a concert and stuff, you get to wear like a badge like that.
Oh, look, it says country, I'm a star. Like rock star, it's like different like musics. Like rock star.
Oh,
These is a pen that looks just like the fanny pack. This is an L. This, I don't know her name, but it's an LOL. I think this is Treasure Cat. I don't know who this is, but they're all like LOL people. This one kind of looks like Alice in Wonderland. They're just all LOL people. Okay. What is in here? I think I may have to.
oh.
That looks like a microphone. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But it's really like one of those confetti cups.
Let me see.
Like so glittery.
Oh, now you have your own cup.
So cool. What does it do? Whoa. It's like the low band. Wow. Can they all do that? Are they all the same color? This one's blue, pink. This one is purple. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe to my video. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Stage pass.
Let me see it.
What? Rhythm. Rhythm, mommy. I have an idea. Yeah. EAP and then
Oh, the headband?
Huh?
What about the headband?
This?
Oh, and the bracelet too.
And I'm gonna pick a pink bracelet.
Oh my god, let me. Greg, you gotta get the cup too. Okay, wait, let me.